Is OSGeo crashing because of the PROJ Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for PROJ Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the PROJ library, the PROJ Cartographic Projections library. It manages unmanaged routines for coordinate transformation and map projection math. It facilitates the orchestration of geospatial data link manifests for GIS and mapping software. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. PROJ is required by OSGeo to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of OSGeo ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the PROJ library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. It is important to avoid manual installation of PROJ Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines PROJ library optimization concepts. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including PROJ library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.